Hello, welcome back to Dead of the Brain, ROM hacking kind of fun stuff. I'm your pal slowbeef. Let's close some windows. Let's close some applications here because I have a lot running. Tonight, right now, I'm showing you a text extractor drastic actions wrote in C sharp. I don't know if you can read it or not. I don't know how to view. How do I zoom in? I don't know how helpful this is. We can put that in Git. I think he has that in GitHub and put it up on Twitter somewhere. But regardless, let me bring up chat. Yeah, I did a lot of stuff in the past few days, like Chrome, obviously, Windows Calculator. I got my Bloodborne AVS, OBS, Skype, volume mixers, MeGUI, McAfee. That came with the computer. I gotta get rid of that. TeamSpeak I don't need anymore right now. All right, enough of that. Anyway, oh, and I certainly don't need this Avermedia crap. Alrighty, Dead of the Brain. Let's do it. Let's see. Colon. Dead of the Brain. Which emulator I should? All right, so this is the new version of the emulator they gave me. So new font and everything. How do I screen? Make that 1200 by 1800. So disks. So what are we doing today? Today we are learning how to write our own text extractor. We have quite a few things to do actually. Oren Ronan found some text in the beginning of the game that wasn't in the MES file, which is kind of interesting. Drastic Actions went ahead and did some stuff with graphics. He already extracted all the graphics into BMP, which we'll be going over at some point in the future because I fucking love talking about graphics. But we're not there yet. So let's. I've been kind of dreading this, to be frank, but let's see here. Lisa OST. Cool. So we'll do that tonight. Start with War Season. Let me know if that's too loud or not loud enough or what. Okay. What are the prerequisites for this class? Well, hopefully you've seen some of my previous ROM hacking sessions, because we're going to have to go through what we know about the text. I picked Ruby just because, honestly, I don't really feel the language is super important. What the heck? I've been fucking around with this game disc, haven't I? I have been fucking around with this game disc. Showing Cougar instead of the background of the game. You know what? Who cares? It's alright. We know what our first sentence is going to look like, and it's going to look like this, so that's how we know we're right if we're going to get that to print out in a text file that our translator can look at. So, fuck it. Let's start from scratch. I don't know. I called my old one messextract.rb. Music's a little loud, sorry. Sorry, turn music down. Okay. Excuse me, Ruby extractor. Alright, let's begin. What do we know? Okay, we know nothing. No, what happened to music? Oh, jeez. No, I just want to play the whole album, though. Can I not do that? I thought I could do that. Alright, so what do we know? We know that dialog boxes start with, what is it? 0xBA23, right? So let's do this another way. Dialog. I believe 4. Just go back to my, we know BA28 is punctuation of some variety. And no, I'm sorry, wait, BA23. Yeah, start dialog box. That's also, I think that's Cole's name tag, right? If I'm remembering correctly. Yep, and 7054F, that's hiragana. The 89C6 is kanji, so we also know what that 8329F starts off kanji. So we know BA is a control code sometimes, right? Okay, so here's the deal. I did state machines before. That's kind of the way I'd like to do this. So let's save this. What do we call this thing? MS. What pulls things out of messes? I don't know. We'll just call it mess. MES extractor.rb. Okay. So we have states, right? Let's talk about what states we have here. How do you do that in Ruby? Module state. Sorry, I'm just gonna refer back to my file I wrote here. I called it mode. That's fine. Mode's fine. So that's like, tell us what like reading mode we're in. So I'm making an enum right now for this. So we'll just do header mode. The numbers don't matter. It's just to tell us the state we're in. Normal will be hiragana, I guess. And we have katakana/kanji mode. What else do we got? I guess we could do. I don't really. Alright, what the hell? We have control codes. We have a punctuation mode. Wait, do I need semicolons in Ruby? I don't. Stupid every other language. Again, it doesn't really matter. We could have done this in Java, C, C++, whatever we wanted. I want to learn a little Ruby. That's right, you have to like end everything. Okay, so let's start things off. We'll open our file. So s file equals file.open. Name of the file is open1.mes. Open that in reading mode. Now that we got our file open, we can say until mes_file.eof end. So this is our main loop. We're going to be reading the mes file one at a time. Alright, so byte equals what? Byte equals mes_file.read1, I think is how that goes. Oh, right. So, okay, this is my thinking. We don't actually get to the text until down here. I don't know if you can see this or not, if I need to, like, zoom in. Right here. This is where text starts, right? That means I got about D4 worth of data. I don't know what it does, and for right now, I don't want to fuck with it. So we're going to start things off in header mode. We're going to have a state here that says I'm in mode header. Right? Alright, so what happens? Alright, so let's see. I'm going to read a byte at a time. what I want to say is if the bite equals XBA, then I'm going to go into control mode, and I'm going to start doing other shit based on that. The idea is I'm going to have a bunch of if-elses here that's going to change state, and I'm going to do different things depending on which byte I read based on it. Is this kind of clear as to what I'm doing, more or less? In fact, really what I should do is I should say if state mode header. I wonder if I'm over-engineering this. One thing at a time. Stop. So much easier when you don't have people writing over your shoulder. My basic idea is... Here, hold on a minute. I'm going to do different things depending on what state I'm in and what byte I get, right? So... Katakana mode. Kanji. Control code. Punctuation mode. Okay? So that's what I'm doing. And then in each one of these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by getting a byte from the file. That read of 1. And I'm going to respond to it or do something differently depending on what the byte is. I'm going to start in header mode because I have this header I just want to ignore. So let's just make sure things are working like we think they are. So just puts file.read of 1. Okay? Can I enlarge this? So I run it and I get a question mark. Good. So here's the deal. I know this file starts with BC, right? So basically I want to say a byte equals this file. If byte equals 0x BC, puts, yep, that's BC, else puts, nope, not BC. Let's try that again. Syntax error expected under typing keyword end. Oh, just end, right? No end if. Nope, not BC. Command, window, right-click CMD icon. Right-click the title bar. Properties. Font. 12 by 16. Do a lot of all right, here's the first problem I have. The first problem is I know my first byte should be BC. I can see it right here in open1.mes. I just got to get Ruby to recognize it. I did it kind of a stupid way in my old one where I said I did an unpack on the byte. What I don't like about unpack is that it turns it into a string, and I'm doing string comparison, and I don't want to do string comparison. I want to compare bytes, like integer numbers, you know? That kind of deal. Uh-oh. strings up yet. Oh, CLS is clear. So, okay. Let's go to good old Google and figure it out. I don't want to compare it to a string though. Alright, this guy's doing /x. Alright, /x he's saying, so let's try that. Like that? That doesn't look right. Yeah, that doesn't work at all. Oh. I was gonna check if it's a string. That's what I thought. I thought it'd be just equal to 0x dA. I could unpack it. I really don't want to unpack it. Oh! Alright. Sorry. Now this is what I hate. Because right now what we're really doing is wrestling with the language. Here. No implicit conversion from fixed num into string. Drastic. Yes, I'm reading through each byte. 0. That's alright. Yeah, I'm reading through each byte. Should I not be? What did you do? Well, actually, I have your code right here. I can see what you did. Try it that way. Let's see. Alright, I guess we'll just do it that way. I don't like it, but... for now. Okay, so anyway, read a byte. I start in header mode. Since I'm in header, I know the first one is what? That's BC. BA rather. If byte BA. Oh, good call. I didn't even think of that. Thank you, Saint Bastion. RB. Okay. Let's try that. Alright, read mode binary. Thank you so much if that's the answer. Alright, so I open it, it's a binary file, read only. Y equals MES read one. Y equals 0 XDA. Sorry. Alright, fuck it. I guess I just unpack this stupid thing. Alright. So we're in header mode. Next. So if lights equals yay. Alright, so while we're reading the whole file here. Alright, BA puts me in control mode. Control state. Sorry for that. Okay, and then once I'm in control, if what do I want to do? I guess I could do nothing and just wait for the next loop. Actually, in that case. Yeah, this is a little unclear just because I'm doing this kind of on the seat of my pants again, which I didn't want to do, but I really didn't want to use that unpack. Alright, this is what I'm doing. I'm reading the file byte by byte, and based on the byte, I'm going to change the actual, state, okay? So, if this is not BA, since I'm in header, I'm just going to go next, which is going to just go to the next line of the loop, which means it's just going to keep reading bytes until it gets to BA23, okay? BA23 we know is the call tag, so if byte equals... So say if byte equals 23, or no, we're going to print that. I don't want a new line just yet. So let's see how it goes. Nothing happens. Awesome. What did I do? That curious thing. No, you're right, Jurassic. I can't, but file. Ruby. We are doing Ruby. Okay, yeah. See, it's 0xBC. Quotes, too, for some reason. But byte equals BC. Right, nil. Or I could just put in byte equals /xbc, and it's going to say false. Yep. False. Like I just don't know how to do the stupid byte comparison. It's just pissing me off. But I could just say byte unpacked byte equals byte dot unpack as h star. Unpack's really good, by the way. So now it's an array. Oh, idiot I am. That's right, unpack makes it an array. So get the 0th element of the array. I hate this so much. This is so hacky. There, now it'll do it. Yep. Cool, so every time I encountered BA23, it printed col, which is what we wanted. Kind of, sort of. Alright, what's the next thing that happens? After we print col, by the way, we're going to change state back to mode. It's getting a little uglier than I wanted it to be, honestly. Alright. So then what happens? Then we encounter another BA. I don't have a normal mode, I just realized. Alright, back into normal mode. So what happens in normal equals BA. State equals mode control. Huh? Okay. So we'll go back to control mode on 28. Now what if the byte is 28, which is the next byte we're expecting to get? That means we're in punctuation mode, so state equals mode punctuation. Now, okay, so this handles the case up to BA28, but we get a 0E next. So let's, what it now, what do we know? Oops, wrong one. I hate this one. We go to this Microsoft page, which is actually very helpful. If we notice the 81 prefix, we got a 0E after it, right? Which is... Wait, am I right? Am I wrong about that? Yeah, 0E. So... Now, if we look... where is it? Where's the game? Oh yeah, here it is. So this is, we have the col tag printed out. This is what that BA280E refers to. So we go back. Punctuation. So what do we do with punctuation? We say we need to find that double ellipses thing, which I thought was here for some reason. Is this it? Two? I found this the other day. Oh, I'm an idiot. I have code over here that tells me that. Punctuation. Yeah, 81. Yeah, so it's, there we go, 81 0E. So, okay. So basically, what Dead of the Brain does is BA puts it in control mode. 28 tells it, no, I want to write punctuation. So it puts us in punctuation mode. So we're going to print what are we going to print? 0x81, I think. And we're going to print the next byte from the MES file. No, this current byte, excuse me. Which I think I'm going to pack. That's right, I got to do it like this. Array, repack it as a string, chop the string. Let's do something. Let's test that we're actually getting the right thing here going on. So we'll just say byte equals 70. We'll just exit for now. Just want to see how it's doing so far. Is that a thing in Ruby? Exit? I don't write a lot of Ruby. Actually, just exit loop is fine. It's like break, right? Yeah, break. I already know from... Okay. I think this should work. So let's try it. Keyword end on line 61. Motherfucker, I keep doing endif. Col 129. Wait, 52 in pack, no inclusion into integer. Programming is fun, I swear. How do I do it? Do it like that. It's 0E8164. Is that true? Hold on. Wait, so 0E maps to 8164. My lead byte is 81. 0E8164 maps to ... Are you sure it's not just... Wait. Yeah, okay, so that's what he's talking about. It's right here, 64, 8164. It's that stupid thing, so... Got it, yeah, okay. So in punctuation, if the byte equals 0E, we are just going to... I hate this code already. I really hate it. Stop that. Let's see what that looks like. Cole, C-O-L-E semicolon and a 20? Oh, the space. Not print anything. This is the least fun part. Need to see how I did it here. Why did I think that was 8108? That was stupid of me. Oh, got it. Got it. Got it. I got it. I know I'm an idiot. Look at the wrong file for one. Double click thing it's doing. So if I just pack that as a star, it should be good, I think. Maybe drum roll and chop it. Let's pretend I didn't know that. And this is also 08. I just gave my screen the finger, by the way. Aha! No quotes. There we are. Right? Good. Output looks like 8100, 8100. Both that's totally wrong. So we chop. Get rid of that null afterwards. What did he say it was? 4064. I also need to check for a sizzle byte 28. I'm doing that up here. 23. BA tells me I'm in control. 28 tells me I'm in punctuation. I feel like I'm really over-engineering this. Why is it printing it twice? My only question, though. Oh, I'm encountering it twice, of course. Idiot. Yeah. Alright. So if I view this encoding... Yes. Cool. Couple of dots. That's correct. Can I turn up my mic? Yes, I can. Sorry. Also bending over the keyboard, which doesn't help. No, Jurassic Action says that's the double ellipses. It's right here. What's throwing me is maybe because I'm printing English here. That's confusing it. I just feel like I should be able to view this in Shift.js and make sure I'm right. You know what? I can make this work. ASCII is crap, but in Japanese it's a couple of bars, which is not right. Where the fuck? Ah, enough. I know it is, so we'll just keep going. Okay, Cole 8164, 8164. Okay. Next thing I want after that is 70, which I know is ya. And I want that to map to hiragana, so I want to map 70 to hiragana ya, which is 82. Oh, so let me go back to make sure I'm setting back control state to normal, or hopefully I'm not even touching that. Right? Got that. So once I've printed one of these, I should set my state back to normal. It's awful. Alright, so once I set things back to normal, I should still get the two 164s, and I do, so that's fine. Next thing I gotta do is what? I have to do something. Oh, that's right. There's no normal because you're technically always in hiragana mode unless otherwise stated. That's fine then. Alright, so next I got hiragana. So 70 maps to ya, and I know that ya is this guy because I'm a big weeaboo, which is 82 E2. Let's put that. Then we'll print what's a byte? CI is 16, which means convert it to hex for me, please. Pack that like so, and shop this fucker for me. And then exit program because I just want to see that work right. Oh, wait. Now I'm adding 72 to it because it's off by that much. I hope that works. Did not work. normal again, encountered BA. Went back to control. In control mode, the next byte was 28, so it's punctuation. Punctuation, it found E, so went back to normal. Normal. Oh, right, duh. I got that thing in there. Cool. Alright, so far so good, actually. Moment of truth. Will it blend? Come on, 82 E2, 81 E2. Why 81? Oh, because I wrote 81 like an idiot. Cool, so let's not exit. Okay, so in normal mode, I can also say if my byte is 83, I'm in kanji mode. Actually, wait a minute. Yeah, alright, that's fine. Katakana, rather. Byte.2i 16, and if the byte is anywhere from inclusive, anywhere from 84. If byte is greater than and byte 2i. Sorry. This is the worst one yet. Session. I imagine it is, sorry. Do I need a fucking mode for these things? Hold on a minute, because I'm putting those just as is. I don't need to like switch state and all that. Refactoring, not really. So let's just do this. Yeah, that wouldn't have worked anyway, so it's good thing I did that. Change the byte to integer. Pack. Shop. And we'll also print the next character. You're in normal state, so we'll stay in normal state. Now, what's the other thing we gotta watch out for? We gotta watch out for... Alright. So... Let me just do that real quick, just to make sure that worked. And we get the characters that we think we do. 89C6, perfect. Because we know that 89C6 is, in fact, a kanji. 89, a C6 right here. Hiragana, 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 until we hit BA280F, which is the next punctuation bit. And we know BA280F from looking at the game is a period. One of those weird Japanese circular periods. P-Funky, I'm trying to extract text from Dead of the Brain. I'm actually getting kind of more than I thought I would, even though this is some ugly fucking code. So what happens? I get BA, it puts me in control mode. I get 28, which puts me in punctuation mode, and then as of byte equals 0F. So Hibeki, the trick is I'm not like just, what am I trying to say here? I'm trying to like make this into a text document that someone can read and translate, so that eventually I can get another file, so then they can give me a translate file that I can use to reinsert back into the game. So, wait, did I have an exit in there or what? And we'll do that. Oh, so anyway, what's that stupid Japanese period? 42? Did not expect that. Okay, you got it. 8142. Thanks, Awesome Brand, for hosting me. Just make sure that's still working like we think it is. Yep. Oh, look at that. We can see the Japanese here. Yato Nitsuitaka. I skipped the kanji because I don't know how to pronounce that. Yep. There it is. Coal. Dot dot. Dot dot. Yato kanji Nitsuitaka. This is working. This is working like we think it does. So we go back to the file. BA26 ends it. BA26 control. We're still on the first few lines, you say. Hold the phone, folks. This is... We write... let me show you why we write code. Sheesh! /n English :/n crack knuckles. All right, output. Right, help if I stop exiting. So hopefully this worked. This looks pretty good, actually. Ta-da! Kind of. Okay, so our code created this. I already see some errors. Ooh, God, I see some errors. Yeah. All right, so we got the first one. Data yato kata. Cool. So coal. Alright, so what happened next? So we got tripped up on the second line, which is BA23 91E5 91CC BA28OD. Alright, so it looks like we hit... I got it. So it looks like we hit another punctuation that we didn't expect. Alright, so in the game it is... this comma is what's throwing us. That's the D. Yeah, and there's a couple of them. That's why this file ended, like, right here. Yeah, see, we got the first two kanji right. There. This matches that. It's just the comma threw us. And according to this game, the comma is kanji. Kanji. BA28OD. 0D, rather. So we go back to our code. Punctuation mode. What did I get? Burp, excuse me. I hate this code, I have to be honest. There must be a better way of doing this. And alright, so let's go back to the Shift.js table. What is it? It was like that. Is this it? Right here, I think. I guess. What does it look like in the game? That's like a comma. Oh, D. And it's probably right up here. 41. 8141. It's weird that, like, it doesn't follow any sort of rhyme or reason. You know, like, you'd think, like... One second. 40, right? Is that it? Alright, let's try that now. Let's run that again, see if we do any better. Yes. Did not do any better. What went wrong? My output. English. 0D0A. Ugh. Coal. Japanese. 8140? 8140? What did I do wrong there? No. This is so... Oh, you know what then? Because I know I'm only going to print one character at a time, so I don't need to keep it around like that. Boom. Switch back to normal state every time. Go back to our output. Alright, how does that look? I can't see the comma thing because of the stupid red underline crap, but let's just go back to the game. Ugh. Yeah, that looks... I think that looks right. Non-pa-to... Wait. Aha. Alright, I got thrown here. Okay, so pa is an 83. Because it's... So, welcome to ROM hacking. What do you think? Is this my own passion project or a side job? I wish it were a job. Oh, it was 8141. But you can't charge money for ROM hacking. Patreon.com/slowbeef. You know what? And I even remember that is, oops, 5B. 815B is that stupid thing. So go back to open one MES. Okay, so 95. So there were 3 kanji, right? Then the non, yeah, there were 3 of them, right? 8370, 815B. Okay, so 815B, you say? That's new. What's an 81? Alright, let's see what it is in the Shift.js table. 815B. That's exactly the same thing. So, if I'm in normal state, let's just, let's if byte 81, right? So as far as we know, we can just print the byte and then print read one. We'll just print it as is. Use standard indirection, by the way, to write to the output file. There's more elegant ways of doing it, but fuck it. That looks a little better, I think. So let's look again. First 2 kanji match up. Non-pato. Pato. Niyara. Seria ino ni. Something, no. I used to know those ones. Wait. Cheyenne, I think that's right. Whatever. Something mare koki. Yep. That all looks right. Move on. Huh. Wow. Yeah, here's where things go a little hairy. Let's go to the third one real quick. I don't think we need to give it a super thorough once over. Let's see. Nande. Yo. That's good. Next one should be Ma. There's the Sheen. Something dead. Dot. This is going well too. Yo, what is this? Gucho. Yep. Yeah, that's all right. This is the sentence that fucks up. All right. So it's sentence 5, more or less. Oh, so let's go back. Alright, sentence 1 was okay, sentence 2 was okay, 3 was okay, 4 was okay. Sentence 5 was the problem. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sentence 6 actually. So BA tornado F. Alright, here's something new. C6, 28. What the hell is this garbage? Oh, look at that. And then... seems okay again. So what the hell... So what does C6 mean? When do things get good again? Oh my god. Okay, you know what this game's doing? See this little dot here I'm highlighting? I bet I know what this is doing. So let's reset emulation real quick. Options, message speed. Okay. And watch. This is ridiculous. Okay. So I see how I highlighted yeah, see this like long space with a dot? I think what they're doing is when Cole takes the shower, it's just adding a bunch of spaces with periods at the end for that. All right. That's so weird. Regardless, all I know is that when I read C6, I could call that header mode again, actually, if I wanted. Even though it's technically not a header, but... fact, yeah, you know what? Here's what we'll do. Let's rename header to ignore. There's no other header. Good. And then we say if we're in normal mode. Let's see here. Also, C6 will bring us back to ignore mode. So we can skip it and keep going. Hey Becky, this is the Lisa, the Painful RPG soundtrack. That did not work. Why did that not work? Why did that not work? the bite is C6, I should be back into ignore mode. If I'm in ignore mode, I'm just going to wait for another BA. I don't understand. I could cheat and just, like, say, if I got a C6, I'll just read the rest. What am I doing wrong here? Oops. What happened? It's because I hit 26. Oh, maybe that's why. Gotta stop using semicolons. Yeah, that's why. Better, but not great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was thinking of getting that genre of RPGs that are cool looking. Is that a good place to start? Earthbound. Sure. Pick a project you love. You gotta stay on it. Sorry, 1 sec. Okay. 2. Damn it! Stop that. Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? No. AC 2882. When did that happen? Was there an AC 2882 around here? AC 2882. No. Was there an AC 28 around? Aha! I see. So, got it. Okay. Got it. So there's another one. It is here. So it's byte equals, what was it again? 13. Alright, we could cheat a little bit because it's late. Oof. There's more of it. Shit. Oh, one other thing we know we want to do. Forest cougar, we know that. Wait, we know that hiragana is what? To like 7F, I think. That way we could just say, if it's an unrecognized byte, we're going to go to ignore it. Getting there. It's just these little weird things going on. Should I cheat? Just say no. Don't cheat. Ow, shit. I wonder how close I'm getting though. See, Shawa. What's this line? This looks good. Yongde. Ah, that's interesting. Mo one. Wait. Mo. Yeah, that one's messed. It's one su. That's a problem. So let's just want to see how I'm doing in general. Yeah, looks like some more punctuation. Hi, koru desu ka? Cougar. Okay, yeah, if we ignore... So this looks like some kind of script code that told Cougar's animation to appear on screen that I caught. But Moshi Moshi koru ka... wash... Yeah, that looks right. Just wonder what the hell's going on here. Alright, I think I know. No animation when I hit enter. Now there's going to be animation. Okay? The animation... So this little thing I'm highlighting here. This is the control codes to tell the game to animate Doc Cougar. So let me wait for him to stop speaking. If ever. Or it toggles the animation. Yeah, that makes more sense. Because now when I hit enter, he's going to stop. Okay. Nothing happens when I hit the next one. Then I hit it again, and Cougar animates. He stops. He animates, and we're down to here, by the way, so things are still looking pretty good, I think. Stops, animates, stops. Perfecto. Well, not perfect by any stretch, really. But I'm not seeing any terrible garbage. You know, it all looks like Japanese to me. This is not bad progress, right? It's getting a little late. Let's see here. Oh, I hit. What is it, Drastic saying? You hit a control byte, then you added the bytes as text. Ah, you're right. Shit, before the people's name is garbage. I'll tell you what. I'll leave it to you. If you guys want to see me like work through this on stream, I'm happy to do it. If you, these little, nah, actually, I think there's still more to be gleaned from it. Maybe I'll do some more, whatever. Okay. Well, I think we've done a lot for tonight. So, I hope this was kind of helpful. I'm sorry I struggled a bit, but you know, we're getting somewhere. So the point of this is, yeah, you have to write these kinds of fucked up. I hate this code. Little scripts, and what they do is they run through the game files and they extract the text for you, so you don't have to go copying them down manually. And then we're going to use the outputted translation file to make either a reinserter or remake the game files from scratch, however we want. So after our translator says, finally home, and fits in all the other stuff, there you go. And we'll figure out some interesting ways of doing that, I hope. But thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this was something. Take it easy.